The World Robot Conference 2023 was held in Beijing, which became the largest in its history. 7 days instead of the usual 4, 45,000 square meters, more than 160 companies and more than 600 robots, almost 60 of which were presented to the public for the first time. In addition, more than 300 international experts came to Beijing after the lifting of anti-cowboy restrictions. What struck our film crew most of all at the exhibition was the great variety of humanoid and bionic robots, which quite predictably became the main hits of the exposition. But first things first. According to Xingobin, China has been first in the world in terms of robot sales for 10 years, and the country accounts for more than half of global sales of industrial robots. Already today in China, there are 392 industrial robots per 10,000 workers, and this is a very, very good indicator. The first visitors to the expedition are greeted by robots that copy famous Chinese poets Li Bo and Du Fu, reciting their works. The Dalian company X-Robots, which specializes in research in the field of intelligent humanoids and the creation of hyper-realistic bionic robots, is responsible for such performances every year at the exhibition. The bartender robot, which fully reproduces the appearance of one of the company's employees, attracted a lot of public attention. The robot's movements were quite smooth, his facial expression was constantly changing, and as it turned out, his double is already working in one of the bars in Kunming. In order to demonstrate the effective work of the joints created by them, X-Robots brought a robot performing the dance 1000 Guanyin. Of course, compared to the elegance of the original, it is still far off, but the softness and synchronization of the robot's movements are impressive. The developers believe that this technology can be developed and further used as prosthetic hands. The company is already seriously thinking about creating robot doppelgangers for everyone. The appearance of this robot is copied from one of our colleagues. We made it so that the expression of his face is copied on the robot. In essence, we've created a robot doppelganger. For example, if I want to participate in many activities, I can use robots instead of myself. For example, I'm a teacher and I'm going to lecture to students. I can place the robot in different classrooms and all the students can see me during the lecture. The company is currently working on making robots as perceptually capable as humans, that is, able to see, hear, touch and smell. According to X-Robots employees, robots will definitely have the ability to perceive their environment in the future, as well as the ability to express emotions. I think that the development of technology will change a lot every day. The coexistence of humans and robots will be inevitable in the future, but I don't think we should be afraid of anything. The most important thing is that we should learn to live with robots, because they can help us solve many industrial and domestic problems. They can help us take care of children and the elderly. They can help us wash and cook. They can come to our aid. Robots will be human partners in the future. I think this is an inevitable development trend. Guangzhou-based Unitree Robotics delighted visitors to the show last year with a mass dance of 130 robots, and this year with an absolute novelty in the form of Unitree H1 humanoid robot and the Go-To robot dog, which is relatively accessible to the general consumer. Unitree claims to have spent only 6 months building the H1 robot, which was made possible by utilizing systems already proven on robot dogs. The company believes that their humanoid robot is set to start a new industrial revolution. From the main characteristics, height of almost 180 centimeters, weight of about 50 kilograms, maximum joint torque of 360 newton meters, 3D LiDAR plus depth camera, walking at a speed of more than 1.5 meters per second, and the ability to run. The company notes that combined with the versatile AI, the robot's range of applications could be expanded in both industrial and service sectors. We just unveiled our new H1 humanoid robot and we want to use it in the industry in the next 3 to 10 years. We want to help improve industrial production. Unitree Robotic is a leading developer of quadruped robots, and the company itself cites its main advantage over similar products from competitors as the independent development of almost all key components, including motors, gearboxes, controllers, laser radars, and manipulators, which allows for a high level of performance at a reasonable cost. The most affordable robot dog model on the market from Unitree will be Go-To, whose price starts from $1,600. Even the most basic robot is equipped with 4D LiDAR. making GoTo's sensor system 200% better than the previous version. GoTo also provides a new human-robot interaction experience by combining AI voice interaction with a variety of movements and functions. Compared with Go 1, GoTo's new powerful battery life has increased by 150%, and the efficiency of the new joints with a maximum torque of 45 Nm has been increased by 30%. GoTo has many features for entertaining at home. Firstly, our robot is equipped with GPT and we can use it to talk to the robot. Also, GoTo has a powerful battery, so that it can keep working for 2 hours without recharging. And thanks to the 4D LiDAR, GoTo can scan any spaces. The GoTo is aimed at a wide range of consumers, so it has a relatively low price and pre-orders are already open. We'll leave a link to it in the video description. System safety is extremely important to us, and thanks to the 4D LiDAR, it can avoid risks and keep a safe distance from children and